what's happening, y'all? Today, man, is actually Sunday, the 24th of April. We just wanted to give you an update on Bubba. So yesterday, we went to Bubba's apartment and actually hung out with Bubba. It was an amazing time. If you don't follow me on Instagram, man, go down and follow me on Instagram, or go to Instagram, give me a follow. It's at knucklestv. That way I give more updates on there than I do here, just because it's easier to give an update on Instagram than it is here on YouTube. But we had an amazing time. I took my griddle over there, man, and we ended up cooking some tacos al pastor.
What?
Al pastor.
What?
Al pastor.
Al pastor. Okay.
And Bubba hung out. He actually came outside and sat outside with me while we were cooking, huh?
Yep.
That was good. That was good stuff.
He said it was the first time going out since the accident, really.
Yeah. Yeah, so that was the first time he'd been outside. He's doing really good, man. He's moving around the apartment really well on his walker. Probably in another week or so, he goes back to the surgeon to get an update, right? So they can see what's going on, make sure everything's healing properly, make sure there's no kind of infection going on. So that'll be good, and then we can move forward with that after the fact, right? So then I guess after that is when we figure out if he's got to do some kind of physical therapy. He's just gonna have to, as far as right now, just getting through the whole healing process to where he's able to move around a lot better. He's still having some pains, especially at nighttime, he said.
Yeah, when he puts his leg down and I guess the blood rushes down or something. Yeah. He said it hurts, but not too bad, I don't think. He hasn't told us if it was too bad.
Yeah, he doesn't say it's really bad, but of course it wakes him up at night. So some nights he does have a little trouble sleeping more than other nights. But other than that, I mean, he's doing really good, man. His spirits are up. Like I said, go to my Instagram because there's actually a picture of us. Probably the picture of the thumbnail. It's probably the picture I'm going to use for the thumbnail. So that picture was there at his apartment yesterday. Like I said, we had a good time. Gracie, his fiance, her parents were there along with her sisters. So we had a good time, man. We just hung out just to kind of try to like normalize things, right? So, I mean, can't really normalize
something that we would have done if this didn't happen. This is something that we would have done, so might as well just do it even while the situation's happening. Right. So.
And I'm glad Bubba came outside. He hung out with me outside, man, and sat there as long as he could. Like I said, he's doing really well. Tuesday, I got to take his bike into the dealership so the adjuster can get in contact with the dealership, and they're going to go over the bike to see what the outcome of the bike is. Still not too sure about that, but hopefully we'll find out pretty quick. Our friends Sharon and Gina actually brought him a wheelchair. Yeah. To help him out. So it's actually Gina's mom's wheelchair.
Yeah.
So that she had. Yep. So we borrowed that for him. Thank you very much. That's going to help him out like when he's got to go to the doctor, just to make it easier so he's not having to walk on that walker the whole time. And then also his fiance's graduation is May 15th. So that's going to help him, and it's at NRG Stadium, so that's going to help him get around in NRG. That's a blessing in itself, man, because the insurance was going to pay for a wheelchair, part of it. And then Bubba was going to have to pay, like, he said, like $100 something a month to use the wheelchair. And I'm like, yeah, no, bro, we'll find you one. Don't worry about that. And that was with insurance. Without insurance, it was like $700 something. So just ridiculous. Luckily, they gave him the walker though. They did, but Mello did go buy him one as well. He was on my Instagram live the other day, thanking everybody, and that was really cool because everybody got to see him, got to talk to him. They left a bunch of comments, man. They was talking with him right in the moment, so that was cool. I'm glad he got to jump on for that. The spirits are really high,
which helps us as well. Kind of bounces back and forth. Like we're in a good spirit, he's in a good spirit, so we're kind of bouncing the energy back and forth, which is good for both ends. Right.
So yeah, man, I mean, we still have to go. I mean, and again, I want to tell everybody thank you. I can't express in words how much all y'all support and prayers, y'all reaching out to us and to him means to us. I mean, we can't put it in words, man. No matter how much I say it, it's not enough, right? And we do have a GoFundMe for Bubba. Listen, I don't even like bringing up GoFundMe, right? I don't like talking about it, but all the shares that has been going on, people sharing his GoFundMe has really helped him out. But listen, I was raised, my family raised us to where the man takes care of his family no matter what. We don't ask for nothing. Bubba was raised that way as well. So me coming out with this GoFundMe, there's a point in time to where I know that
you cannot do it on your own.
Right. And Bubba's my son, and I would do, you know, is our son, and I would do anything, we would do anything that we could to help him out financially. We know there's no way we can possibly help him out financially. We just don't have that kind of money. You know what I'm saying? If we did, I promise you, it would be in his hands, but we don't. So the whole GoFundMe, man, is hard for me, but I know it's for him, and I know it's gonna help him and his fiance out with the responsibilities they still have, even though this situation has happened, right? I just want to let y'all know, man, that we appreciate it so much.
We just never thought we would have to do a GoFundMe.
Right.
It was almost like, oh, there's a GoFundMe, let us donate here and there, but it was never like, we never thought we would have to do it until now, and then we didn't even know that people liked us like that.
So, I mean, y'all have been amazing, man. Everybody that has donated it's blown our minds. The amount that they have reached already is just crazy. Melo's already, you know, forwarded him the money that's there already, so that's helping him out because, again, he's still got to make all his notes. He's still got to make all his financial responsibilities that he has. You know, he's still got stuff he's got to do, man. Bubba's a strong man, and again, he wouldn't ask for anything either. I mean, he don't even ask us for anything. You know what I'm saying?
Other than ice cream.
Ice cream.
That's all he asked for, ice cream.
I did think of some ice cream the other day. But he doesn't ask for anything, man. The point of that is, if you feel it in your heart to donate to my son and his fiance to help them with their financial responsibilities, man, the GoFundMe link will be down below, right? So, and then in my Instagram, it's also in my bio. So other than that, like I said, he's doing good, man. He is in high spirits. I talk to him every day. We talk to him every day, and he's doing well. So I just wanted to give everybody an update on YouTube, man. Like I said, if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's so much easier for me to give updates on Instagram, and I give a lot more updates on Instagram than I do here on YouTube. Appreciate y'all. We love all y'all. I'll do another update probably after he goes and talks to the doctor.
Yeah, because right now we're kind of in a standstill.
Yeah.
It's like, okay, he's recovering, but there's not really an update until he goes see some surgeons.
Right.
So we have to kind of wait to see what the next step is.
Yeah, till the next update. We appreciate y'all. We love y'all. We'll see you on the next one. Much love, much respect. Peace.
Knuckles out.
Knuckles out.